Quotes on the title: make your next moves in silence. The loudest moves are often the ones made in silence. Make your next move, and let success be your noise. Silence is not the absence of noise, but the presence of focus. Make your next move in silence, and watch your dreams unfold. The world may be loud, but your next move should be silent. Let your actions speak louder than words. In a world where everyone is screaming for attention, make your next move in silence. Let your success be the loudest voice. Silence is not weakness, it's strategy. Make your next move in silence and outmaneuver the noise. Don't announce your moves, just make them. The world will notice when you're done. The most powerful moves are the ones made without fanfare. Make your next move in silence, and let the results speak for themselves. Silence is the ultimate game changer. Make your next move in silence, and watch the world react. Your next move should be so powerful, it doesn't need an announcement. Make it in silence, and let the impact be your voice. In a world that values noise, make your next move in silence. It's the most powerful statement you can make. Don't let the world dictate your pace. Make your next move in silence, and let your success set the tone. Silence is the new loud. Make your next move in silence, and let the world take notice. Your next move should be a whisper, not a scream. Make it in silence, and let the results be your megaphone. The most successful people are often the ones who make their moves in silence. Join their ranks and make your next move without fanfare. Don't give the world a preview of your next move. Make it in silence, and let the impact be your announcement. Silence is the ultimate form of confidence. Make your next move in silence, and let your success be your swagger. The world may be watching, but your next move should be made in silence. Let your actions be your only statement. Make your next move in silence, and let the world wonder what you're up to. The element of surprise is a powerful tool. Your next move should be a quiet storm. Make it in silence, and let the impact be your thunder. In a world that values noise, make your next move in silence. It's the most powerful way to make a statement without saying a word. I hope these quotes inspire you to make your next moves in silence.